Baiao was established in 2008, which located in Dongguan with over 105 employees and 8,164 square meters of manufacturing space. It has become one of the leading OEM/ODM manufacturers, specializing in telecommunication products and peripherals. Our products include HDTV antenna, VHF/UHF mobile/CB antenna, 2.4G Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, 5G antenna, RV antenna, marine antenna, antenna mount brackets, antenna amplifiers, RF coaxial cable, and other related accessories, which are exported to more than 100 countries and regions. We have also established firm relationships with global companies mainly from Europe, America, and Asia-Pacific areas, etc. Baiao includes the following subsidiary companies: Dongguan Baiao Electronics Technology Company Limited, Jiangxi Innovation Technology Company Limited, Jingfeng Hardware Company Limited. Today, for over 15 years, we have been making great efforts to develop and expand through both domestic and international market. Currently, we have 2 factories and have a number of experienced engineers in the field of development, with over decades of experience in researching antenna. Equipped with advanced testing instruments, including microwave chamber, production equipment, high and low temperature tester, and management system to ensure high-quality products. All of our items strictly adhere to the ISO 9001-2008 quality control systems, has over 200 exclusive patents in mainland China and overseas. We always uphold the management principle of heritage classic with innovation, the pursuit of perfection. Provide customers with excellent product solutions and service.
Baiao Professional Antenna Manufacturer.